we have to find how many integers are there between pair of numbers. We have numbers from 1 to 30. First, what it means integers. An integer is one of the numbers in the list. We have from negative infinity, we have this number, negative 5, negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, and they are going to positive infinity. What else? When we have word between, it means we have to include both ends of range. To find out how many integers we have between 1 and 30, you can always write this 1, 2, 3 until 30 and count them. But we have method to solve this problem in very easy way. When we have integer, let me write this formula, m is less or equal n, the number of integers I such that m is less than or equal I is less than equal n, is n minus m plus 1. So in our case, our n is 30. Our m is 1. From the largest number, we have to subtract the smallest. So we have 30 minus 1, and we need to add 1 plus 1. So this is equal, of course, 30. This is our answer.